of Kenyans, 80% actually, about 80%.
Thutha wa mbunge ya bururi gutiriria guikia kura ya kuhitukia kana kugwithia mutaratara wa watho uria wendekithitie gucenjio gwa tariki ya githurano ciumia 2 hituku. Mutaratara uyu ni wirigiriirwo gucokereria cikaro-ini cia mbunge miaraho ya muthenya wa ruciu. Guku ambunge makirigiriirwo guikia kura kuhitukia kana kuhagura mutaratara uyu. Mubunge wa kiminini Chris Wamalwa na uria niwe wendekithitie mutaratara uyu agitariria mwihoko wake wa gugakinyaniria muigana wa ambunge 233. Niria niyo namba ya ambunge iria yagiriire gukinyanira mbere ya mutaratara uyu kuhituka mbunge-ini.
The members of parliament so far who have confirmed, we have numbers now, we're talking of about 290. And you know, we require the two-thirds. Two-thirds only 233. So I have no doubt that tomorrow we are going to have the numbers and we are going to vote in the afternoon.
Kuregana na mutaratara uyu Wamalwa endekithitie tariki ya githurano kinene gucenjio kuuma mweri-ini wa kanana nginyagia mweri-ini wa Dithemba. Undu uria ututhurite ndereti hiu guku aria maraunyita mbaru makiuga ni guteithiriria kweheria githagathago kiria gitungagio arutwo mweri-ini wa kanana. Na waria mararegana naguo makiuga undu uyu no ucungiririe bururi guthie kura ya mawoni undu uria ni ngarama ingi kuri Akenya.
The election in August affects mostly the schools.
We really disrupt the education of this country.
As we politic the issue of the date, we also need to look at which month of the year gives all Kenyans access to exercise their constitutional right to make or to choose their leaders. And in my opinion, from where I sit, I think December is best suited month of the year to hold elections.
Kukoguo tungienda githurano gikare mweri wa kanana ne gitikagerie gucenjio na mundu wina opinion ya kuhingicwo ni muteti ati tuthi Dithemba. Iyo no propaganda itangikinyanira tondu wa mbere ithuĩ twi mweri wa kanana ni mweri uria andu makoragwo already mahorerete, koguo tungirikia uhoro ucio mweri wa kanana turitiga ona kahinda kega kuria thi guku andu mahorere na ni mweri umwe.
That's why Article 101 says on the 5th year, August of the 5th year. Now we are changing December of the 5th year. Suppose we were reducing to January, from August to January. It is still on the 5th year. So the issue of referendum does not arise.
Kwa ihinda mendekithie magutabanio mogaruruku gatiba-ini ya bururi kuhitukira kura ya mawoni mathiete na mbere kwiyumiria. Riu Akenya makirigirirwo gukurira mbunge ya bururi maitho muthenya wa ruciu gukurana uria nderetie niwe karikirira. Makiria kuona ya kuruta kamweneni ka uria maundu makahanika mitaratara-ini ngita ino. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.